You finally did it. The scale went down. Your clothes fit again. Your cravings got quiet. And then you ask the scariest question nobody talks about. What happens when I stop Wegovy? Because for a lot of people, the first few weeks off the medication feel like your old appetite comes back with a megaphone. Your biology is simply turning the volume back up. And if you don't have a plan, weight regain can happen fast. In one major trial extension, people regained about 2/3 of the weight they had lost within a year of stopping semaglutide. So here's the practical question. What can you do right now with normal food to help you transition off Wegovy with less rebound hunger? Today we're going to talk about one surprisingly powerful bridge food that can help. Eggs. Not because eggs are magic, but because they solve a very specific problem that shows up when Wegovy is gone, the fullness gap. If you're stopping Wegovy or changing any dose, do it with your doctor, especially if you have diabetes, gallbladder issues, reflux, or you're on other medications. Now, let's break this down in simple words. When you're on Wegovy, your appetite signals usually calm down. You feel full sooner. Food is less loud. Many people also eat less without constantly fighting themselves. But when you stop, that appetite control fades, and your body pushes you to return to old patterns. That's why just keep doing what you were doing often fails. The medication was quietly doing part of the work. So when Wegovy is removed, you need to replace that support with something that does 3 things. Keeps you full longer, helps protect your muscle, and makes your meals feel satisfying without needing huge portions. This is where eggs can help, because eggs are a compact, high-quality protein that's easy to repeat daily. Let's talk about the fullness gap first. A lot of people come off Wegovy and make this one mistake. They start the day with a light, carb-heavy breakfast like toast, cereal, a muffin, or a bagel because their appetite is back, but they still want to eat small. The problem is, many carb-heavy breakfasts digest quickly, and hunger comes roaring back mid-morning. Then lunch becomes bigger, snacking increases, and the day starts to slide. Protein changes that entire curve. It digests slower, supports fullness hormones, and helps you feel done after a meal. And eggs are one of the easiest ways to get that protein early. In a classic controlled study comparing an egg breakfast to a bagel breakfast, the egg meal led to lower hunger signals and reduced energy intake afterward. The point is, eggs can help you feel fuller with fewer snack emergencies. Now the second issue, the muscle problem nobody warns you about. Many people lose weight quickly on GLP-1 medications. That's good, but rapid weight loss can include loss of muscle if protein intake is too low and strength training is missing. If you lose muscle, your body burns fewer calories at rest, and you may need fewer calories to maintain your weight than you did before. So when your appetite comes back, it's easier to regain the weight. Eating more protein is often used to keep weight off because it helps you feel full and can help you hold on to muscle better than low-protein diets. Eggs are not the only protein option, but they are a very efficient one. So how do you use eggs to help you transition off Wegovy without ending up on a boring, bland diet? Here is the simple, repeatable plan. Step 1. Use a protein anchor breakfast for 14 days. For the first 2 weeks after stopping, do not freestyle breakfast. Make breakfast boring in a good way. Your goal is to prevent hunger chaos later. Pick one of these egg anchors and repeat it most days. Option A, 2 to 3 eggs plus vegetables. For example, an omelet with onions and peppers, scrambled eggs with spinach, or boiled eggs with sliced tomatoes and cucumbers. Option B, eggs plus fiber. For example, 2 eggs in a bowl of berries, or 2 eggs in a small portion of oats with chia seeds. Option C, an egg snack box if mornings are busy. 2 boiled eggs, a fruit, and a handful of nuts. Simple, portable, no cooking. The target here isn't perfection, it's structure. Wegovy used to give you structure by lowering your appetite. Now you rebuild structure with your first meal. Step 2, build a fullness plate at lunch and dinner. Once your appetite returns, your plate has to work harder for you. Use this rule. Half the plate with high-volume plants, salad, cucumbers, cooked vegetables. 1/4 protein, 1/4 slow carbs, or skip if not needed. Add healthy fat in a small amount. Eggs can fit here too, especially when your stomach feels sensitive. Egg salad with yogurt-based dressing, eggs in a vegetable stir-fry, or shakshuka-style eggs with tomatoes. And here's a key point. Eggs help because they're satisfying without being heavy. Many people find they can tolerate eggs better than greasy meats when their digestion is still adjusting. Step 3. Use eggs as a craving speed bump. This is the move that helps most people stop the spiral. When you feel the urge to snack hard, especially in late afternoon, don't negotiate with the craving for 30 minutes. Put a speed bump in front of it. 1 boiled egg plus water. Wait 15 minutes, then decide if you still want the snack. This is not about restriction. It's about preventing impulse eating from becoming a second dinner. Protein first, choice second. Now let's address the big fear people have. But what about cholesterol? Eggs contain dietary cholesterol. For many healthy people, moderate egg intake can fit into a heart-healthy diet pattern. The American Heart Association has discussed that healthy individuals can include up to 1 whole egg per day, and for older adults with healthy cholesterol levels, even 2 per day may be reasonable in the context of an overall healthy pattern. But context matters. If you have diabetes, known high LDL, or a history of heart disease, your personal targets may be different, and it's worth discussing with your doctor and looking at your overall diet quality. So the takeaway is simple. Eggs can be a tool, but they're not a free-for-all. Use them intelligently. Finally, the part people skip. You still need a maintenance engine. Eggs can help you manage hunger, but they won't replace these 3 pillars. A protein target across the day, not just breakfast. Strength training 2 to 3 times per week, even simple home resistance. And sleep and stress control, because appetite goes wild when sleep is low. If you only do one thing, protect your muscle. That is your anti-regain insurance policy. So if you're coming off Wegovy, or you're worried about what happens when you do, think of eggs as a bridge. They help fill the fullness gap, support muscle protection, and make your meals feel real again when your appetite returns. And that matters because weight regain after stopping GLP-1 therapy is common without a plan. If this helped you, tap like and subscribe for more simple, practical guides. And now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us, did eggs become easier for you on Wegovy? Or did they suddenly feel too heavy?